I make mistake. No problem. It's happened.
Yeah,
We are
yes,
learning, right?
yes,
We are not pro.
yeah, yes.
Yeah. So good
S-
morning
Good morning,
and
ma'am.
welcome to the session. I'm very excited to have this session with you. Thank you so much for joining me. So, how are you doing today?
Ma'am, I'm doing great and thank you for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing exceptionally well and fit as fiddle. Thanks for your concern.
Yeah,
So,
that's
yeah. So tell me, how's your day going on?
yeah, my day is going pretty well. Like I am working professionally, so I'm enjoying my work, and also nowadays I'm learning this English language, so I'm enjoying it a lot. So yeah, everything is going very well. So, ma'am, what
Good to
about
know
you?
about
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Yeah, my day is going on as usual. I'm a homemaker, so you can resonate with me that my day is little bit hectic. So yeah, it's going on well. No
Uh-huh.
complaint, I would say,
Yes, I can
right?
understand.
So yeah, before dive into the session, let's start with quick round of introduction first. So may I know
Yes.
something about you?
Yes. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Manisha Chaudhary and I am from Bihar. But nowadays I'm staying in Prayagraj and I have completed my graduation from Botany Honors and later that I did my MBA in HR Professional. So currently I'm working as an HR and along with my job I'm also really passionate to learn this language. So this is the thing, like this is all about me.
Yeah,
So
great.
me,
You have given amazing introduction. So let me introduce myself.
yes, yes.
So my name is Kiran Saw. I'm basically from Bihar, but
Okay,
living in West Bengal. I
okay,
raised and brought up in West Bengal. And if I talk my education, so I have done my BCom honors. And currently I'm a homemaker and mother of two adorable boys. And if I talk my hobbies, so yeah, I have so different kind of hobbies: reading, cooking, and interact new people. And simultaneously, I am more into learning this language. So I'm very passionate about learning this language. So that's all about me.
yeah, great. Nice to hear this. Yes. So, ma'am, may I know, like, you are also from Bihar. So, where is it in Bihar?
Yeah, is it Jamui district?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
you?
Ma'am, I am from Darbhanga. Have you heard about this Darbhanga? Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
most of people I have met with uh, from Darbhanga person from Bihar,
okay,
and it's a district. Their district is their district is Darbhanga.
okay.
So yeah, I'm very familiar with Darbhanga these days when I started my journey for YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, most of people from Darbhanga, I think they are very fascinated about learning this language,
I,
and they are yeah, 4 or 5 people from Darbhanga side. I have talked with them.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So in my side, Jammu district, there are no person till now. I didn't meet anyone
Uh-huh.
from Jammu district person, but yeah, Darbhanga person from people from Darbhanga, I have met so many times.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, you are a working person right
Yes,
now.
yes. Yes.
Yeah. So is it your it means it's a work from home?
Yeah, it is totally work from home only.
Okay. So can you explain your job? How do you do, and this type of work do you do?
Yes.
Please
So,
share it.
yeah. So, right now I am working as an HR profession. So, here I have to work. I'm in a recruitment, so I have to hire the candidates for the this company. So, currently I am in a doctor's hiring, so I have to hire the doctors as well. So, we are hiring doctors for the colleges and for the hospitals. So, yeah, it's a pan India. So, I'm facing whenever there is a lots of challenge in this recruitment part. Also, like sometimes candidate says that gave the interview, but after that they say I'm not okay with this offer. So it's a challenging task for me sometimes. So to manage the candidates and how they can stay with a long time. So it is the thing, yeah.
Yeah. but it is easy that you now you doing your job work from home, right?
Yes. Yes.
It is easy to do for you, yeah, because when you go outside, so it will challenge so much
Yeah, exactly.
outside job. And
I I can say like there is pros and cons for everything, like in a work from home as well, and for the work from office as well. Whenever you are working in a work from home, so you can't get that environment. Like you are not meeting with your friends. Like you have to be
yeah,
separate in a in one room and just sit with your laptop and phone and just do the calling and do attend the meeting and all. But even in lunch break as well, you are not meeting with your friends and not discussing anything, not that environment. So we can and in work from home, you are getting the benefit. You don't have to travel a lot, and you are doing your work whenever do you want to do. You don't have to dress up properly. These are the benefits. You are giving the
yeah,
time with your family, so I can relate like there is a benefit plus and minus in every pros and cons in everything. Yeah. So they have their benefit and
yeah,
loss. Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
definitely. Everything has a pros and cons,
yes,
right?
yes,
But we should take the mindset that which type of person we are, and we should think that
yes.
this is benefit for us or not, right?
Ah, yes, yes.
Yeah, great. So
So
yeah, I means I didn't do any job like work from home. So I just wanted to know that which type of work do you do. So that is why I asked you.
yeah, no problem. Yeah, so
Yeah.
ma'am, I want to say one thing. Like you are saying here, I'm not doing any work. Like this is the best work. Like you are managing your home, so I can say, and at
Right.
the same time you are learning English. So it is a very important thing. Or like you have a passionate to learn this language, so you are managing both the thing at the same time. Yeah,
Yeah, you can say, but
yeah,
I didn't do any job like as a company and as a
yeah.
any type of job like a outside
Mm-hmm.
job like
Mm-hmm.
this. And yeah, it's means as a homemaker I do house related work, and outside like when my kids need
Mm-hmm.
something to bring from outside, so that time I need to go to buy something. Otherwise, like a job, personally job for earning money. This type of work I didn't do so far. And before getting married, I used to teach like a home tuition.
Okay.
Just I think 1 or 2 year I used to do like this. But after that, when I went to I when I did my graduation, that time I left my giving means taking tuition. And then just graduation, I did my graduation, and after that I just prepared for government job.
Mm-hmm.
1.5 year I prepared, and it was like a on and off, not continuous. And meanwhile I got married and I left everything, study and means work related to earning money, so whatever you can say.
Mm-hmm.
So that is why I asked that what is the experience of yours. Yeah, because when we earn something, when we do something for means, so we feel some confidence, right? So
Yes.
that we can do something. And
Yes.
nowadays girls are very active to do something. Earlier it was not trained, and parents are not provide so much facility to girls, right? But now time has changed. Parents allow kids, and maybe girls or boys, doesn't matter. But nowadays provide parents provide their kids every type of facility, right? So yeah, it's a good opportunity, and girls should also leverage this opportunity and learn something different,
Exactly.
and uh, achieve so many, whatever they have goal, they achieve, right? Well,
Exactly.
if
Yes.
their parents support them, so definitely they should leverage the opportunity.
Yes. Right. Exactly. Yeah,
right?
so whenever we are doing some work, na, so like we are feeling confident by yourself, you have your inner confidence. So yeah, and nowadays no one
Yeah,
want to no one wants to sit idle. Everyone wants to do something in their
yeah,
life. So yeah, this is the most important thing.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because of, I think because of YouTube, social media, people are so
Mm-hmm.
people are becoming aware, right?
Mm-hmm.
People are the people who wanted to sit, but nowadays people has changed, right?
Mm-hmm.
People have changed. They have mindset that I have to do something in my life. Maybe
Exactly.
I left my study, no matter, but I can start my journey for learning, right? So due to social media and YouTube, people are becoming so aware these days.
Yes, exactly. So,
Yeah,
ma'am, I want to ask one thing. Like, I'm able to see you are speaking very properly in this language. So, how long you have been working on this language?
yeah. To be honest, I just for speaking. If I talk speaking, so it's been 11 months. It's going on, and earlier just I used to watch sentences,
Mhm.
and after then I just used to watch conversational video. And I was
Okay.
not that much means I started my journey from the scratch because I left my study for
Mm-hmm.
10 years. So that's why I had to face difficulties when I started my journey. But now every single day when I get stuck, when I feel like I'm able to I when I feel that I'm not able to make sentence, so
Mm-hmm.
I go for structure, not for grammar, right? So
Okay.
structure based I learn English. And
Okay.
currently I whenever I get stuck, so I go for structure, not for grammar, particular grammar. If I go, so I maybe I feel monotonous, so that is why I go for structure and I try to make sentence, 5 to 6 sentence if I make, so that I get confident to make further sentence, and I get confident to speak in front of camera and send. So this
Okay.
is how I learn English, and I still am learning. I'm not pro. You can see me that sometime I get stuck, and
Mm-hmm.
I had a pronunciation problem. So that is why I just started just a few days back. I started for reading practice. So yeah, it helped me a lot, and still I'm working on, so that I can improve my pronunciation problem, because English is totally different language. So
Yeah,
that is why
exactly. Yeah.
I'm learning. Yeah,
So,
at least one page I try to read.
mm-hmm. Yeah, you complete first. Uh,
Yeah, at least one page I try to read, not more than.
Okay, yeah, yeah. So, ma'am, I want to say one thing. Are you thinking which one is important? Grammar is important, or we should focus on the sentences only? We have to start speaking, or we should also learn grammar.
As per my knowledge, I think if you have knowledge of tenses and little bit knowledge, definitely we should have, because
Yes.
if we learn at school, right, when we were at school, when we are at school, so that time we already get knowledge like tenses and noun, pronoun, this type of things we are definitely study in our school life, right? So yeah, if you have knowledge of tenses and little bit noun, pronoun, this type of things if you have, so you can start your speaking first. Okay, and while speaking, if you feel like I'm not able to speak this sentence properly, and how can I speak, sometimes it's happened with everyone, not for me. So that time you can go for grammar, so it will helpful for you. And if you go for grammar firstly, so you feel monotonous and you feel like yeah, it is not cup of tea for me. Grammar rule is it's a, you can say like there is no for rule, means
Exactly.
grammar rule, right?
Yeah,
So that is
exactly.
why we should not go for grammar first. We should speak, means according to me, we should go for speaking first. And
Mm-hmm.
firstly we should go for fluency, that how much I can speak, right? And then after, if you reach means if you reach a certain level, then after you should go for grammar, because grammar is also important, right? If you are a intermediate person, and if you speak that time, if you speak wrong sentence, so it feels like a improvement, right? So grammar is also important, but not initially. Initially we should go for fluency, and after we should go for advanced. That is my point of view.
Exactly. Yeah, like everyone is saying we should start speaking, but a bit knowledge is important. Like we have to knowledge of the I can say grammar. If we know, if we don't know like how where we will use is and where we will use are, so how we will make a sentence, at least a single sentence, like he's a boy, he's a girl. So like it is important to know something, some grammar knowledge as well. And at the same time we should start our practice, so like it will give the result, like
Yeah,
it will growth, like if you can grow with the help of this grammar and this
yeah,
sentences. And the second thing, we are mostly for, like there is no limit in the grammar, we can say. So if we will think, once we will complete this grammar section first, then I will start, so it is a bit difficult to get the fluency. So yeah, you already told
yeah,
this, so we
mm,
should focus on grammar, and at the same time
yeah,
we also need to start speaking. So before speaking we can't proceed
yeah,
and we can't grow. So yeah.
yeah, yeah. And in school time, we already get knowledge little bit grammar, right?
Exactly,
Like
yes.
tenses, these type of things. At school time, we definitely learn. So yeah, when you have completed your study, right? So you must have knowledge of grammar little bit, so you can start your speaking first, and then after, if you get start, so you can go for grammar, because
Mm.
everything means a time little bit while speaking we feel like, yeah, this sentence, that sentence, I'm not able to speak. So
Yes.
definitely that time
Yes,
we can go for grammar.
if we will not start speaking, then how we will get to know like where we are doing mistakes. So
Yeah,
yeah, this is the most important thing, to start speaking, so we can analyze, we are doing mistakes at this point. Yeah, so this is the thing. Yes.
yeah. So yeah, I wanted to know that since when sorry, how long have you been learning English language?
Ma'am, actually, the thing is, like, I'm not focusing, I'm not be consistent in this language, like, because of my personal thing, like, like, working hours and this thing. So, I'm not able to focus properly. So, but now, past 6 months, I'm focusing it on, like, properly, or you can say consistently. So I'm watching this YouTube reels, YouTube shorts reels. I'm just following YouTubers, those who are sharing the conversational videos on the YouTube. So yeah, this is the giving, we can say we can improve a lot
Yeah,
seeing
definitely.
these videos. So yeah, so I'm focusing
Yeah, I
on.
also improved what this type of things, right? When I used to watch sentences, I was not aware to how to speak, right?
Mhm.
But when just I think not more than 1 year, 2 or 3 months back, I started for watching conversational videos, right? And that things helped me a lot, because this is a real life topic, right? And we can
Exactly.
understand that which type of express word and idiom they are using, and how can we use in our day to day life, right? So this is means yeah, it's helped me a lot to improve myself. When I started watching conversational video, it helped me a lot. And watching sentences, yeah, it helped me, because it is also important when we don't know, means when we don't know anything. So that time sentence from Hindi to English also help us. But conversational video, it's means more beneficial for us.
Yes. So actually, they are talking at a real time as
So
we are doing. Yeah. So.
yeah, so yeah, it's a very means a good thing.
Mm.
Like when we start watching conversational video. It's really help us,
Exactly.
right? Yeah. So currently, do you face any difficulties while speaking?
Yes, you can see in my like I'm mistake. I'm most of the time I'm doing mistake at the grammar point. So and also I'm
Yeah,
not.
it's a happen.
Yeah.
Don't afraid of making mistake,
Yes.
because we are learning, and every single day just try to learn, because you know if you feel like I'm making mistakes, so you will not encourage yourself to speak this language, right? So yeah,
Yeah.
if you feel like I'm making mistake here and there, so you can rectify yourself, right? But you can't stop yourself that I'm making mistake and I'm not able to speak. Yeah,
Yes.
making mistake is the part
Is
of
a
our
part of.
life, and definitely it is a national international level. Means it is a international language, so we definitely make mistake. We are not surrounded by English environment. At
Exactly.
home we speak our native language, Hindi language mostly. I as you know that, as you mentioned that you are from Bihar, so definitely I think your Hindi is your national native
Yes.
language.
Yes.
So most of time you surrounded by Hindi language. So how can you be fluent in English language? You should give time. Then after you will be fluent in English language, right? So it will take time. Just be patient and learn every single day. Definitely you will improve in your life and you will improve in your language.
Exactly. That's why I started this
Right?
YouTube channel. So I thought that I can also improve by myself. And once I will start speaking, so I will upload this conversational videos, and I can also improve myself at the same time. So yeah, this is the motive. So that's why I started
Yeah,
this
yeah,
YouTube channel. Yeah.
definitely.
Yes. So how
Yeah,
long you?
definitely. You should have a YouTube channel.
So yes,
Yeah, you should have a YouTube channel so that you can
be
you can
consistent.
show up yourself in
Uh,
front of camera and you be consistent on your channel.
Yes, yes. So, ma'am, may I know, like, you are running your YouTube channel from, like, how long you have been running your YouTube channel? It is in which month?
Yeah, it's been I think not 6 months, it's 5 months it's going on.
Okay,
Yeah. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Right.
okay,
It will take time. I think I need to be patient, and yeah, every single day I should try to learn. It is
exactly.
more important, because yeah, I do not go for who which type of people watch my video, because firstly I want to improve myself, because it is
Exactly.
very important, and I try to speak correct English, but it is not possible. Sometimes I make
Yeah.
mistake, so this day I'm trying to reduce my mistake, and yeah, I can means day by day I improve myself. It is not it will not happen over the night, I'd say.
I can say it is a part of our like journey. If we are not, if we don't do mistake, then how we will learn? So you can say mistakes doing those people like who all have started their journey and started doing something. Yeah. So
Yeah,
yes.
definitely.
Yes.
I completely agree with you.
Mm.
Yeah, so is there anything that you want to ask?
One more thing, like I have to discuss with like I want to know like how we can listen properly. There is a like I have one you can say it's a lack of my how can I say it is I'm not able to focus properly in listening. So this is the most important thing. I want to know someone who is in front of me. Like I want to get the suggestion for this. Can you please suggest to me how can be patient?
Okay.
Yeah. Uh,
Yeah. So while watching video, you do not understand that how they are, what they are speaking, right?
no, no, I'm
This is your
able
question.
to. No, no, I'm able to. Able to understand everything. Like whenever we are doing conversation, so I just jump on the answer. So I want to know this thing.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I just jump on the answer
Yeah,
like
it's
with yeah. Yeah, you complete first, please.
actually, it is your initial day, means it will take time. Okay,
Uh,
same things, same sentence. If you will try to learn, if you will try to listen every single day, then after your ear will be habituated to
ex-
listen in English and try to give answer, right?
okay.
Firstly, you should get habit, like, yeah, this is sentence, and I can understand, and I now I will give answer, right? So this
Mm,
means firstly you should habituate, like, how can I listen properly, just
mm,
calmly, and what type of sentence they are using. Sometimes it's happened with me, but don't go for every sentence and every word. Just listen properly overall, okay? And then after, you should you try to think, like, what is the exact meaning of the whole the matter, right? Then after, you can understand the yeah, what they means, what he is speaking and she is speaking.
okay.
Okay, I
Yeah.
think I'm able to make you understand.
No, no. I got your point. Like you were saying, I have to listen them carefully what they are saying, and
Yeah,
we don't need to
yeah,
jump on the answer first. Listen their one or two line, most important line with they
means,
are
yeah, yeah, according means, I wanted to say, like, firstly you should think, should listen whole the matter,
then
what
you
is the matter,
think.
okay?
Yes,
And then after, yeah, means sometimes it's happened, this sentence, that sentence I'm not able to understand, okay?
exactly.
It's happened with me also, but
Mm,
that time you should listen properly, whole the matter, what is the means, whole the sentence, that what type of things they speak, okay? And then after, you apply your mind, that what is the exact meaning of whole the
okay.
sentence, right? Whole
Okay.
the matter. Then
Yeah.
after, you will understand the sentence, because every single sentence, it is not easy to understand, right?
Exactly.
Sometimes we should skip some word, and then after next sentence we understand. Sometimes it's happen, like, when we start reading, right? So some sentence we are not able to understand, that what is the exact meaning of sentence. But when we read whole the page, then after we get to know exact meaning, what is the meaning of this chapter, and what is the meaning of this sentence.
But
So
yes.
these type of things happen while speaking also,
Okay. Yes.
right?
Yeah.
So yeah, it will take time, but definitely you will get your fluency
Fluency. Yes.
and listening power also.
Okay. Yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah.
So I think we are running out of that time,
Yes.
and we will meet again
Yeah.
definitely.
Sure. Yeah.
And
It was a
really, I enjoyed a lot to
yeah.
talk to you. Thank you so much, and yeah, thank you so much for giving me your precious time,
Yes.
and best of luck for your journey.
Yeah.
So thank you so much.
It was
Bye.
a great conversation. So yeah. This is my first conversation with you, and it was a great conversation. And thank you so much. Thanks to you as well for your this precious time. Yeah. Have a nice day.
And you choose me for your first conversation, so I feel I'm lucky, and thank you so much for choosing me.
Yeah, and you too as well. Yeah. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
Yeah.
much. Bye.
Yeah.
We
Bye.
will meet again with the topic, okay?
Sure. Yes. From
Bye.
next time we will do some. We will take some topic and we'll have a conversation. Yeah. Uh,
Yeah, definitely.
okay, ma'am. Yeah.
So have a nice day. Bye.
Yeah. You too. Bye. Yeah.